Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new here, thanks for tuning in to Brooke's DIY wreaths and home decor, where I show you how to create beautiful wreaths and other DIY home decor. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a DIY skirted broom wreath out of a cinnamon broomstick that I got at Aldi this past fall season. Here's a list of supplies you'll need to create this beautiful wreath, and I'll be sure to list all the product links in the description of this video. Okay, let's get started. You'll start with a piece of floral wire and twist it around one of your pampas grass stems, creating a V shape with the wire. Stick your wire through the broom to the back side and twist to secure. Add a second piece of wire a little higher up the stem to keep it from sliding. Then snip off any excess wire. Repeat these steps with your other pampas grass stem on the opposite side of the broom to cover the width of the bristles as much as possible. Make sure to fluff out each piece as you go. Now we're going to move into our second layer with our smaller pampas grass picks. Again, taking our floral wire around the pick and twisting to create a V shape with the wire. Take your wire through the broom to the back side of the broom and twist to keep secure. We got 5 of these picks, so we're going to add 1 at the bottom, 2 adjacent to each other right above that, and 1 above that. This is going to give texture to the wreath and give it that elegant skirt effect that we're going for. Next, we'll dab a tiny bit of hot glue onto our champagne feathers and place those right next to the longer stems on each side to hide them a bit. Now we're going to add our last pampas grass pick above the feathers. At this point, the broom is bound too tight to work through, so you'll add the wire all the way around the broom handle and twist in the back to keep it secure. Next, we're going to take our twine and tie it around the pick right where the floral ends and the pick begins, so we can hide the stem completely. Wrap your twine around the broom going up until you've got about an inch gap between the twine you're wrapping and the twine that's already there if your broom's built the same way as mine is here. Once you're done wrapping your twine, dab just a little bit of glue right at the end on the loose side, and then just tuck it into the back side of what you've wrapped. Now we're going to add a tiny dab of hot glue onto our teal ribbon and wrap it around the broom handle right where that 1-inch gap is for the collar of our bow. Now add another small dab of glue onto the back side of the bow in the middle to attach. Fluff out your bow just a little bit and voila, you've just made yourself an elegant skirt wreath out of a cinnamon broomstick. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. I'd really love to hear from you guys. If you like this DIY idea and want to see more ideas, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. My platform is continuously growing right now, and your support is extremely appreciated by me. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye!